Let's explore the world of mathematical research. We'll uncover how mathematicians collaborate, how intuition guides their work, and the fascinating journey of discovery they undertake. Mathematical research is not just about numbers and equations. It's a creative and collaborative endeavor. The mathematical mind is not solely about calculation. It represents a distinctive approach to thinking. This approach skillfully blends rigorous logic with creative insight. Therefore, mathematics requires both logical reasoning and intuitive understanding to progress and solve complex problems. It is this combination that drives mathematical innovation. Mathematical research typically follows a structured process. It begins with identifying a significant question or problem that is worth exploring. This is followed by a phase of exploration, where mathematicians investigate patterns and connections related to the problem. The exploration leads to discovery, where new insights and potential solutions emerge. Finally, the results are verified, formalized, and rigorously proven to ensure their correctness and validity. Intuition plays a vital role in mathematical breakthroughs. Often, a mathematician's initial progress stems from a feeling or a hunch about a potential solution. As the quote says, "In mathematics, you don't understand things, you just get used to them." This highlights the importance of intuition as an initial guide, leading to insight before a formal proof is constructed. Collaboration is essential to mathematical progress. Sharing ideas and receiving feedback at conferences, combining diverse expertise to write joint papers, and refining work through peer review are all vital parts of the collaborative process. These collaborative efforts help to validate findings, distribute knowledge, and propel mathematical advancements. Mathematicians employ a range of tools to aid their discoveries. This includes computational verification, which uses computers to check results. Visual representations such as graphs and diagrams help in understanding complex concepts. Analogies and examples can provide insights by relating new problems to familiar ones. Thought experiments can test ideas in a theoretical setting. The Eureka Moment illustrates the path to a mathematical breakthrough. It usually begins with intense struggle with a problem, followed by a period of incubation, during which the problem is set aside, allowing for subconscious processing. This then culminates in a moment of breakthrough, when a solution suddenly becomes clear. Great discoveries often occur when we briefly step away from the problem, allowing the mind to make new connections. Mathematics creates connections across time and between minds. Each new discovery becomes a permanent addition to humanity's ongoing quest for knowledge and understanding of the universe. The pursuit of mathematical knowledge is an eternal endeavor to explore and comprehend the fundamental principles that govern the world around us. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.